Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss another case study for the marketing students group A. Okay. The case study it is what about distribution strategy. In the marketing of Intel Corporation. Students, we'll discuss about that is about the company. About the company. We'll discuss about market share and financial performance. We'll discuss about sales and distribution strategy. Then we will discuss about the problems, then some recommendation, and the questions. My dear students, Intel Corporation is an American-based company. It is when we are discussing about it this year, so we have to find that it is an American company, American multinational technology corporation. Okay, American, that is American multinational technology corporation. It started in 1968. Okay, and its headquarters is at Santa Clara, California. And Intel makes the motherboard or famous for the motherboard chipset and the network interface controller as well as the integrated circuit, flash memories, graphic chips, embedded processors, as well as some other devices, and which is known as the best known for as the semiconductor chip maker. He is famous for the semiconductor chip maker, as well as where it is now we can say it is based on the what happened, that is the revenues. The revenue of the Intel Corporation is the world largest revenue. Okay, is getting, and Intel Corporation is one of the greatest, that is a famous organization in the whole world. If we discuss about in India, that is the company started in India. In India, it's 1988, Bangalore, which is known as the what happened, Silicon City. Okay, or the IT sector mostly of India. Silicon City of India, we are telling us Silicon City is an American, it is very famous for the information technology, and that is in India, Bangalore is known as the Silicon City, and it is 1988, and it's now grown to that of the, including the maximum, the number of Intel divisions and in the country outside. Okay, country outside means in the mostly in the case of the United States, and India increasing IT and the engineering talent pool, which have ensured the large majority of the work done at Intel India in software, as well as the hardware engineering has also established the Intel India Design Center, the Intel largest non-manufacturing site internally, and this is also the sizable sales and the marketing organizations, and which is located in the Bangalore. Okay, all the sectors measured, we know that is all the IT sector, whatever it may be from all over the world, it is only famous situated in the Bangalore, and it is provides the world-class sales and support services from the Bangalore only, and controlling the headquarters in India is the Bangalore, and throughout that is the four corners of India, that is Intel is also supplying all the things. Mostly we can say it other service centers, it mostly Mumbai and New Delhi, Chennai, Chandigarh and Kolkata. Mostly the five, that is trading centers where the Intel is already providing the services, including the Bangalore. And Intel, if we discuss about the number of employees, we can say that is over 2,000 employees, and out of 1,200 that is work at development center, and significant marketing development, if you will say, the grown of mostly Intel Corporation, and it is the education, including the whatever be there, here it is consisting the that is education, okay, education as well as the Intel capital it's also providing, and also helping in the Intel make the strategic investment. Here it is providing the strategic investment, okay, strategic investment, mostly strategic investment in technology, as well also that is in the online startup, okay, and Intel is also invested, that is US dollar, that is US dollar 60 millions, okay, 60 millions, okay, infrastructure in India. Okay, and if you discuss about the market share, so in 2003, that is Intel had a market share about of 90% in the Indian computer chips market, okay, and about 3 billion, that is 3 million units total outlay, and Intel generate more than US dollar of 48 billions revenue in IT sector. How much? That is US dollar 48 billions, okay, revenue generating revenue in IT sector, in IT industries, okay. So it is one of the very good signs that itna investment karke, that is the largest, because it shows the very popularity of the Intel Corporation, and also that is in Intel India chip sales is also in India grew up, that is 20%. It is one perspective, okay, and from which that is US dollar, that is 287 million to grown up, it is to the 345.5 million between the 2001 and 2 and the 2002 and 3. It is the one of the very perspectives and the very highly what happened, that is highly growth in the Indian market is also. If you will say all the things, if that is all that depends upon the sales and distribution strategy. If you go for the that is the sales and distribution strategy, that is what happened. Intel follow the different distribution channels from the different sets of customers as well as the product. It uses mostly retailers, resellers, and e-commerce and agency distributions to make their product and services available to the end consumer, to the ultimate consumer के लिए. That is what happened. He also uses through the selling the product through the retailer, through the reseller, as well as the e-commerce के जरिए में भी वो selling करते हैं. और agency distribution भी these are the also people those who are playing also the what magnificent role. Okay. In that is selling and distribution services. And also one thing we can say that is the Intel partnership has mostly was between the Intel sales and the marketing and IT leadership. What is it is the creating a marketing, what that is you can say partnership between Intel sales as well as and marketing and IT leadership. Okay, so these are the what happened making a partnership, the strong building and creating a large amount of services. Okay, and Intel IT mostly implemented the social collaboration. Okay, social collaboration with making a very high platform. Okay, and that enables the what happened make strong sales team also, making a great what happened. तो जो कि यहाँ पे कोलाबोरेशन किया गया ना, जो कि एंड हाई बिल्डिंग प्लेटफॉर्म भी किया गया ताकि ये लोग क्या करें स्ट्रॉन्ग सेल्स कर सके और देश के हर कोने में दैट इज हर जगह में दैट इज जहाँ पे स्मॉल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर से लेकर स्मॉल रिटेलर से लेकर यहाँ पे दैट इज इंटेल का प्रोडक्ट भी पहुँच सकता है. And mostly what happened there is a strong relationship with OEM and ODM. Okay, OEM and ODM. OEM and ODM. OEM means what happened? That is original equipment manufacturer, and another that is original design manufacturer. Okay, it is a what happened creating a relationship between the buyer and the seller. So this is what happened we can say that is Intel is also forecasting its sales by short product, okay, lifetime and high manufacturing lead time and the derived demand. Also Intel also have a strong sales distribution channels, introducing that is the concept of the 4C. Okay, concept of 4C and 2S. Okay, 4C matlab what happened? 4C, it is a what? That is customer, competitors, customers, channels and collaboration. With the help of the 4C and 2S, that is 2S. 2S means what happened? Another that is we can say that is supplier and substitutes. That is supplier and substitutes. Okay, it means that is a Intel distribution channel, mostly is direct or indirect ways. They are conducting the what happened? That is the maintaining the strategy of the sales and distribution management. Here we will discuss about some problems. So as the technology is increasing, rapidly. The present manufacturing might must go to west also. As well also some that is western customer wastage might be changes, and some preference will be also shifting from to other competitive product is also, and they do not get what they had. Okay, and changes in the currency value makers is also that is difficult for the company to come up with the perfect pricing strategy, which is also benefit to all. And also some that is what happened, some of the other strong competitors, those who are following, they also what happened, mostly the Intel is also facing a problems, or that is the challenging from the Dell and the IBM and many more IT industries is also there. And the political issues also make a strong, creating a very problem to the Intel, and that is Intel sector in India is also, and market share become very what happened, hard to maintain with the emergence of the new as well as the cheap local companies that is also generating from the local market is also, that is also creating a very more problems to that of the whom, to the Intel corporation. My dear students, besides this all the problems that we have to discuss about the recommendations. So apart from this all the factor, we can trust with the Intel company every situation, because it is the present which have been the present in the market for a long time, and a success greatly in the in these years currently what we have. And the Intel Corporation is a company is also focused on both negative and the positive aspect of the organization, as well also thinking of the great futures. Okay, that may be the possible options and available to them. And with this present market share, it does not need any what happened, that is the worry about of the other, or always works in the best interest of the organization, or is also always the Intel is always in the safer side. Okay, this is the some recommendation we have to full provide support to the Intel corporation. Whatever may be how that is Intel is also maintaining the good, that is the sales and distribution services, whatever may be, but it is a good thing. So how far we have know, that is if we discuss about the scenario, that is what happened mostly if you say about the IT sector in India. So major component is that is the mostly IT services as well as the BPO, and GDP is also mostly 7.5%. Today, due to the pandemic, it is very less. And we know that is how the Intel Corporation, that is what happened, generating revenue in India, it is about more than 48 billions. Okay, and a campaign, it is also doing through the Digital India campaign. Okay, that is mostly in ODM as well as the OEM. We know that is okay. There is a highly mostly all the things, but if you will say there is also some weaknesses. But my students, combined students, try to solve with the best of the SWOT analysis, because provide after all the things, that is when you're going for the SWOT analysis, you have to discuss for the, that is how the company is also the strength. If we discuss about the strength, that is company market value and the share is also very important. Market research development is also one of the strength for the that is Intel Corporation, and also largest customer base, that is also one of the what happened, strong strength, providing the most to the what, that is the Intel Corporation. If you say about the weaknesses, the wrong marketing positioning is also another, that is the pure sensitive, as well as also the deep in the cells of the personal computer knowledge. And also if you say opportunity, the customer preference is also mostly there, and diversification is also finding here huge success, as well as also continuous improvement methods, that is going on continuing, that is or going on processing about the Intel Corporation. That is one of the very good opportunity for the coming years, as well as also if you find the threads, that is what happened, established with local competitors as well as the international competitors. They are also strong facing, the Intel is also facing strong problem from them, and also threat from the Googles. Okay, as well as also increasing the cell phone market. Cell phone market to current be as well, that is what happened, the company is also what happened, facing a strong problems. So if you say about the product mix about the Intel, so processor, mobile device, as well as what happened, mostly boards and chipsets, network product, service product, these are the things. And you know that designing by marketing is one of the very great hierarchy, or that is a very great strong in the Intel corporation. That is starting with the what happened, mostly we should say when you are discussing these things, the hierarchy, the starting with the CEO, okay, that is the CEO, okay, and from here it is what happened, CFO, okay, CFO, then here it is the president in marketing, president in marketing, okay, as well as human resource, okay, as well legal and strategy. So when we are discussing this is mostly it is about the finance, handling the function of the finance as well as the treasure, okay, treasure. Then this is the mostly president means what means client computing, okay, client computing as well as the sales staff, handling the sales staff, okay. Then after that what happened, this is what happened, HR and talent. Basically these are complete with HR and talent, and this is what happened, associate, okay, associate, legal as well as the privacy. These are the very important things what we have thinking. And when you are discussing about the legal sales organization and the hierarchy, so a strong partnership is also created mostly between the Intel sales and marketing as well as the IT leadership as well as the collaboration. And we have also, that is a strong collaboration being the discovery of the content and the people as well as the participant in the focusing and the relevant of discussion as well as also what happened, speeding the decision making. So sales of effort is also by the what happened, mostly the Intel team. We have also discussed about that is how it is developing a collaboration team or the sales collaboration model SCM, okay, and evaluating and selecting a social collaboration platform is also, and engaging the employees through the proof of the concept and employing that is the transition and the change management is also. If we discuss about the buyer and the seller interface, what happened? So mostly we have to, that is Intel in the maintaining the relationship of the OEM, okay, and another the ODM. Already I have discussed that is the OEM and the ODM. ODM is the what happened? The OEM is the original equipment manufacturer in the company that produces the part and the equipment that may be marketed by the another manufacturer, as well as ODM, mostly original design manufacturer, and with the company as well as designs and the manufacturing of the product specific for the sales. My student, this is what the concept and the mostly that is what we have discussed about the analysis of the case. And the problem, the question is that is you are required to find the study the case thoroughly and analysis with the help of the SWOT analysis, and also discuss how the Intel Corporation should be prepared, should prepare a sales and distribution area in order to hold the market share from its competitors. How it is your duty to find it, okay? Having a it is only the case study for the group-based students. So try to make. I will provide all the supporting to you, and you go for it, and we'll have a discussion on the Intel Corporation on the Google Meet. Thereafter we have to presentation. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.